In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your alt text font with just one click. So that's really simple. And if you are working in multiple places and on multiple projects, this will be very helpful for you. As you can see, these are the templates I'm working on, and I want to change the text font with just one click. So that will be really useful for those people who use Canva a lot, especially if they have ongoing projects and want to save time. It saves a lot of time. So just click on the font, click on the text, and then you'll see the option to go to the font option. And I want to change this font to another one. So after clicking on another font, you can see an option appears that allows you to change all. If you click on it, you'll see that this font or the headlines of the design have been changed. So I'm going to change to another heading line. So just click on it and go to the same font, and I'll be changing this one, or Change All. After that, the font across your design has been changed, or you can see another heading line has been changed, and this one also changed. So in this way, you can save your time if you are working on multiple projects and using Canva daily, then this will be even more helpful for saving your time. Once all the designs and visuals are ready, you need to export. Go to the Share and just download, and you can download in whatever format you want. Just download it and you are ready to go. So yeah, that's the short video about how you can change all text fonts with one click. If you have any questions about this video, just comment below and I'll answer all your questions. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. I will bring more content like this in the future, and I will see you in the next video.